I want to show you something before I explain anything. Destination, Lisbon. 2 travelers, foodie vibe. Hit, plan my trip. Real flights from JFK to Lisbon. Real hotels under $150 a night with live ratings. Real restaurant recommendations in Lisbon right now from Google Maps. I have a trip coming up, and I made the mistake of trying to plan it the normal way. Skyscanner for flights, Booking.com for hotels, Google Maps to figure out which neighborhoods are worth staying in, TripAdvisor for restaurants, a Reddit rabbit hole to cross-check all of it, a spreadsheet to hold it all together. 2 hours later, I had 17 open tabs, and I still wasn't confident I was making the right decision. Here's the thing. Every piece of data I needed already exists. Live flight prices, hotel availability, restaurant ratings, it's all out there. The problem is nothing connects it to one coherent plan. That's what I wanted to fix, and that's what Tripframe does. Before I walk you through how I built it, I need to explain the piece that makes the whole thing work, because without this live data, it's just a pretty form. When you ask an AI, what are good flights from New York to Lisbon, it's going to answer from training data. Prices that are months old, hotels that may have changed, restaurants that may have been closed. To get real, live results, like actual fares, actual availability, actual ratings, I needed an API layer that could pull all of that data on demand. And thankfully, SerpApi does just that. If you've ever tried to scrape live data from Google yourself, you know what a nightmare it is. Bot detection, CAPTCHAs, HTML layouts that change constantly, rate limits, all before you've written a single line of actual product logic. SerpApi handles all of that for you. You make one API call, you get back a clean, structured JSON, exactly what you'd see if you searched Google yourself, just in a format that your app can actually use. For Tripframe, I'm using 3 of their APIs. Google Flights for real-time airfare, Google Hotels for availability and pricing filtered to my budget, and Google Maps for local restaurant recommendations with live ratings, which works for destinations all over the world, not just the US. You can get started quickly with 250 free credits. The link will be in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now. And be sure to comment what you end up building. Okay, now let's get into how I built this together. The tool I used to build this is Lovable. If you haven't used it, it's a vibe coding platform. You describe what you want in plain language, and it writes the code. You don't need a terminal, no local environment, and no stack decisions. You just prompt. So here's roughly what I gave it to start. I told it to build a travel planner called Tripframe, 1 form, departure SETI, destination dates, number of travelers, hotel budget per night, and a trip vibe selector. When the user hits submit, make 3 API calls to SerpApi. Google Flights for the top 3 flight options, Google Hotels filtered to the budget with a minimum 4-star rating, and a Google Maps to find restaurants that match the vibe. Display everything as one unified trip plan, not 3 separate sections with their own UI, 1 page, 1 plan. And look what it did with that. It's not just scaffolding some HTML, it's building the API call structure, the loading states, the card layout, the error handling, all of that from a single prompt. Once the UI was generated, I needed to wire in the actual SerpApi key so that the calls are real. In Lovable, this is just dropping the key into the environment variables. The key thing here, and this matters if you're building anything with sensitive API keys, Lovable routes these calls server-side. The key never touches the browser, so your viewers can't open DevTools and steal it. 3 endpoints, 1 key, all server-side, that's the setup. One thing that I had to fix that I didn't anticipate, the Google Flights API doesn't take city names, it takes IAT airport codes, so JFK, LHR, LIS. So I prompted Lovable to add utility function that maps common city names to their airport codes automatically. You type New York in the form, and it knows to send JFK to the API. Small detail, but without it, the flight call just fails silently. Worth knowing if you build something like this. Here's something that actually happened during the build that's worth mentioning as well. My first instinct for restaurants was to use the Yelp API through SerpApi. They have one, it's clean, and it works great, but Yelp's coverage is heavily US focused. For Lisbon, it came back empty, so I swapped it for SerpApi's Google Maps API instead, which provided global coverage, richer data, and it returns exactly what you'd see if you searched best restaurants in Lisbon on Google Maps yourself. That's the thing about building with SerpApi. When one endpoint doesn't fit the use case, they have another that does. Over 100 APIs across every major platform, Okay, so now let's actually run this. Departure, New York. Destination, Lisbon. Outbound date, let's say a few weeks out. 5 nights, 2 travelers. The hotel budget is $150 a night, and the vibe is foodie. Plan my trip. You can see it working through the calls in sequence. Flights first, then hotels, then restaurants. So we have our flights, real fares right now from JFK to Lisbon. That first one, look at the price. That's a live number from Google Flights. Hotels, 3 properties, all under $150 a night, all rated 4.0 or above. It's pulling neighborhood context too. You can see where each one sits relative to the city and restaurants. 5 picks from Google Maps pulled based on the foodie vibe, real ratings, real addresses, and each card links directly to the Google Maps listing so that you can check reviews, hours, photos, and everything. 1 form, 1 click, flights, hotels, and restaurants. And here's what I want to draw your attention to. Every one of those results is live data. The flight prices update in real time. The hotel availability reflects actual inventory. The restaurant ratings are what's on Google Maps right now. This is not just a list of suggestions from a chatbot. It's not static content. It's a real travel plan built from real data, and the whole thing from the first prompt to working app took me 1 single session. For anyone who's building something that needs live data, travel tools, price trackers, local discovery apps, research dashboards, anything, this is the stack that I'd reach for. Lovable for the UI, SerpApi for the data layer. The combination is legitimately hard to beat for how fast you can ship something real. SerpApi is what made the data layer possible here. Real flights, real hotels, real restaurant recommendations, all in one structured JSON that your app can actually use. Link is in the description below, 250 free credits to start, and if you need the QR code, it's right here on screen. Be sure to scan that with your phone. And thank you so much to SerpApi for sponsoring this video. If you want to see more builds like this one with real tools, real workflows, be sure to subscribe to the MakerThrive channel. We post new videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.